Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Discord channels look good. To make your Discord channels look visually appealing and organized, here are some tips. Organize channel categories. Use categories to group related channels, such as by topics, departments, or activities. Example, announcements, general, events. To do this, right-click in the server sidebar and choose Create Category. Then name it, then click Create Category. Drag channels into the appropriate categories for a clean look. Use clear and descriptive channel names. Choose concise and descriptive names so users know the purpose of each channel. Use a consistent naming style like lowercase with hyphens, for example, hashtag general chat, for example, hashtag game announcements, to keep things uniform. Add emojis to channel names. Emojis can make channels stand out visually. To add an emoji, right-click a channel, choose Edit Channel, and paste the emoji at the beginning or end of the name. Then hit Save Changes. Emojis can add personality or represent the channel's theme. Set up permissions for cleaner access. Hide or restrict access to channels that are only relevant to specific roles. This reduces clutter for members who don't need to see certain channels. You can do this by enabling the private channel to make the channel is private and only selected members will able to see this, unless you have add one. Now hit Save Changes. Use pins and channel topics for important info. Pin key messages in each channel so they're easily to find, like channel guidelines or frequently used resources. Use the channel topic field to describe a channel's purpose or link to important documents. Add the server icon and banner. Customize the server with a unique icon and banner for a polished look. To do this is to go to server settings or by right-clicking on the server, overview, to upload your icon and banner. Click on Upload, then choose the file, hit Open, hit Apply, and save the changes. Now return to the dashboard. By combining these strategies, you can make your Discord channels organized, attractive, and easy to navigate. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.